If you want to make a voice yell loudly using ElevenLabs text-to-speech, this video is going to show you the quickest way to get that dramatic screaming effect without wasting time testing random settings. Whether you want a loud shout for a meme, a reaction clip, a game video, or just a powerful voice line, the key is using the right model, the right voice, and the right script formatting. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI voice and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs and start a new text-to-speech project. The very first thing you want to do is choose the right model. For this effect, use 11v3 or multilingual v3. These are the better options because they handle emotion, intensity, and vocal variation much more naturally. Avoid v2 for this use case because it can distort more easily when you push the voice too hard. Next, pick a voice from the library that already sounds energetic, dramatic, or expressive. This matters a lot. If you start with a calm or flat voice, the result may still sound forced. But if you choose a voice with strong personality, the scream or yell will come out much better. So look for a voice that feels intense even before you type anything in. Now go to the settings, because this is where the magic happens. Set stability somewhere around 30 to 40%. That lower range helps the voice sound more natural, more strained, and less robotic. It also makes the delivery break up a little in a way that feels more human, which is exactly what you want for a yell or scream. Then raise style exaggeration quite high. This is the setting that boosts emotional intensity and makes the performance feel bigger, louder, and more dramatic. If you want that full scream effect, this slider is extremely important. The higher you push it, the more expressive the output becomes. After that, move to the script itself. This part is just as important as the settings. To make ElevenLabs emphasize the yelling, use tags like yell, shout, or screaming loudly around the words you want intensified. These tags help guide the delivery so the AI understands that the line should be performed with aggression or volume. For example, instead of typing a normal line, you can format it like this: yell, "No!" or shout, "What are you doing?" You can also write the target words in all caps and add multiple exclamation marks to make the delivery more intense. So a line like "get out of here" will usually sound much stronger than plain lowercase text. A good trick is to combine all three methods. Use the right model, choose a dramatic voice, lower stability, increase style exaggeration, and then format your script with yelling tags, capital letters, and exclamation marks. That combination usually gives the best result. If the voice still sounds too controlled, try making the text even more direct and emotional. Shorter phrases often work better than long sentences when you want yelling. For example, one word like "stop" or "now" can sound more powerful than a full sentence. You can also place the screaming loudly tag right before the keyword you want emphasized. One more tip. Don't overdo every single line. If everything is screaming, the effect loses impact. Save the yelling for the important part of the script so the moment feels more dramatic. That contrast makes the loud voice stand out much more. So to recap, if you want to make ElevenLabs AI scream, use 11v3 or multilingual v3, select a dramatic voice, set stability around 30 to 40%, push style exaggeration high, and format your script with tags like yell, shout, and screaming loudly, plus all caps and extra exclamation marks. And that's it. You now know how to make a voice yell loudly in ElevenLabs text-to-speech. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one.